Let's go ahead and empty the trash on your iPhone. There's at least 5 different places to do this. It's a lot, I know, but it's pretty simple stuff. So just follow along and you have your iPhone cleaned up in no time. The first place you want to check out is the Photos app. So we find that on your home screen, wherever that is. Mine's right there. Tap on that to open it. And here we have all our photos, the photos library. That's great. These are all the ones we want to keep. Whenever you delete one from here, it goes into a deleted bin where it stays for 30 days. To find that, tap on Collections down here, scroll down until you find Recently Deleted, which is locked. It's going to require Face ID or your passcode to log in. And we're in. You can see below every item here, this is photos and videos, it has a number of days. That's the number of days in which it will be deleted automatically. If you want to save space sooner, you can go ahead and delete them all right away. Tap on Select in the top right, tap on the 3 dots, and now you can select individual ones by tapping on them, or tap on these 3 dots and delete all to delete everything in this folder. That is going to be the biggest space creator on your phone. I can almost guarantee it. Unless you never use your camera, in which case it won't make much of a difference. But this next one might. This next one is your text messages. So let's go to our text messages. In the top right hand side, tap on that little hamburger icon, tap on Recently Deleted, and this shows only one message for me. For you, there might be more. You can tap on the message, you can tap and then pull down if you have a whole bunch, and it will select all of them. And when you do, just tap on the trash bin in the bottom right and then delete message or messages if you have more than one. The next place is your notes. Let's get out of here and go to our notes app. Press back as far as you can. And in this list here, you're going to find a recently deleted section right there. I only have one file in here, but if you have multiple, you can delete multiple. Tap on Edit, select it, or select all the ones you want to delete. And then tap delete in the bottom right, tap on delete note, and now it's gone. So we've covered 3 places that you can delete stuff on your phone: photos, messages, and notes. Next up is email. I don't use the built-in email app on my phone. I use Gmail instead, but I can show you how to delete the emails if you do use the email app. Open the email app. Make sure you back out all the way. You might be in an inbox somewhere. As you can see, there's nothing going on in my inboxes. And on this list, there's going to be an item called Recently Deleted or Trash. Tap on that and just delete all the emails in the trash. I don't have to do that for the Gmail app because those emails are stored on the cloud and the iPhone just pulls them in. Whereas the ones in the phone email app, the built-in Apple email app, those emails are actually stored on your phone. The next place to look for files to delete is the Files app. This one can be tricky to find. I usually tap on search and then type in files. There it is right there. Tap on that to open it. If we back out all the way, it takes us to here and we have a recently deleted option. Tap on that. In here, click on those 3 dots, tap on select, tap which ones you want to delete, or tap and hold and drag to select all of them, and then tap on delete and delete again. If you've done those 4 things, you saved a lot of space already. Was it 4? Might be 5. Text messages, notes, emails, files. It's 5 things. So if you followed along and cleared up those 5 areas, you've probably saved a lot of space already. Number 6 is the Settings app. Let's go to the Settings app, wherever it is. There's mine right there. Scroll down to General, tap on iPhone Storage. Here it shows you a breakdown of your storage and how it's used. Here it shows we can save 19 gigabytes in photos. That's a lot. Here it shows we have 1.5 gigabytes in attachments in text messages. You can review them by tapping on these items. Then you can save them to your files or download them off your phone and then just delete the messages and then save all that space. 1.6 gigabytes is not nothing. For these photos, you can connect a cloud service like Google Photos and upload them all to Google Photos and delete them from your phone. That'd be 19 gigabytes I get back if I did that. That's a lot. So in all these apps, you see how much space you're taking up. If you tap on any one of them, like Safari. You can tap into any one of these, like TikTok, for example. We see the app size, 670 megabytes, and the documents and data, 185 megabytes. These are not gigabytes, they're megabytes in this case, so it's not huge, but it's also not nothing. You can delete the app and save all that space if you don't use it, or you can offload the app, which will save your settings. It'll just remove the app from your phone. When it's then reinstalled, it's going to be installed at the app size. It's not going to bring in all the documents and data that you have currently. So you can go through and offload or delete whatever apps you're not using on your phone and save a ton of space. The last thing you can do, at the very bottom, tap this iOS area. We see our iOS takes up 12.5 gigabytes. There's not too much we can do about that. But you might have Apple Intelligence installed, which could be multiple megabytes, gigabytes actually, and you can delete that if you want it or turn it off. Under system data, there's 8.63 gigabytes of system data. This can be reduced by turning your phone off. And this goes up and down over time. So it's not like this always keeps going up. iPhone manages a little bit. But if you turn off your phone by holding the down volume button and the big button on the other side and slide that off and then come back, this should be reduced. It's not going to go to 0, but it'll be less. And if you checked in these 6 areas, I can almost guarantee you'll have more space on your phone. Some people have a lot more than others, but at least it'll be something. And after you clear all this data from your phone, there's one more thing you need to do to protect yourself and protect your phone as much as you can, and that is in this video here. So check that out and I'll see you there.